So this is how the case was when I first got it. And this is the first modification I did, which wasn't much. As you can see, I did a horrible job, but hey, I just wanted to be able to see inside my PC, you know what I'm saying? Here, the next mod I did, I went ahead and made me a side panel for real. And I also made it magnetic, so that was cool. I just ended up cracking it, but it's there. I also wanted to be able to see my front fan, so I had to do that. That didn't come out the way I wanted to. Did a couple versions of that, and I just stuck with that one and made some little air holes, but hey, you can see. And last but not least, the famous PC wrap, I went with white. I actually had some vinyl laying around, some decal vinyl from Cricut, and I just did all of it by hand. If I would have used my Cricut to cut it to the right shapes, we wouldn't have had that problem. But a lot of things happened that stopped it from coming out right, but I'm just gonna look at this as a prototype, and we will get better. Thank y'all.